Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. Today I am going to be reviewing a wig by the Laude & Co. company, and I will be reviewing the wig UG009 SHIRLEY. So if you're interested in seeing this particular wig, then we'll be back shortly with more information. Stay tuned. Here I am wearing this beautiful pixie cut, and the color that I am wearing, let me come up close so you can see it, is DLT2-1630, and she is a beauty. Let's do a side-to-side view so you can see all sides. Check the description box below for additional information. And until next time, take care of each other and definitely yourself. And we'll be back next week with another wig review.